Hello everyone, this is me, Teacher Alexis, and welcome to Mathematics class. Okay, so for today we are going to talk about the volume of a pyramid. Let us take a look at this given. So this is a cube. Let us try to remember what is the formula in finding the volume of a cube. Napag-aralan to nung grade 7. Okay, so that's correct. The volume of a cube, V, is equal to S cube. Okay, so let us try to get the volume of this cube, wherein the measure of the side is 4 centimeters. All we have to do is to write the given formula, V is equal to S cubed. We will substitute the value of S, and the value of S is 4. So we will have the quantity 4 cubed. Kapag ka in-expand natin to, ito ay 4 times 4 times 4. At ang sagot sa 4 times 4 times 4 ay 64. And our final answer, because we are getting the volume, V is equal to 64 cubic centimeters. Now there is a question here. What can you say about the volume of a pyramid as compared to the volume of a cube? The volume of a pyramid is 1/3 the volume of a cube since 3 pyramids can form a cube. Okay, so let's take a look at this picture. What three-dimensional shape does it represent? Very good, it's a pyramid. Which ancient seven wonders of the world is it? Correct, it's the Great Pyramid of Giza. Where is this ancient wonder of the world located? Okay, and that is located in Egypt. The Great Pyramid of Giza is the largest Egyptian pyramid. It served as the tomb of Pharaoh Khufu, who ruled during the fourth dynasty of the Old Kingdom. The Great Pyramid of Giza is a real-life example of a king of three-dimensional shape. Unlocking content vocabulary. So these are the important words with our lesson. Number one is volume. Volume is the amount of space occupied by a three-dimensional object. Pyramid. Pyramid is a three-dimensional figure with a flat polygon as its base. All of the other faces of a pyramid are triangles, which are called lateral faces. Regular polygon. A polygon in which all the sides are equal and all the interior angles are congruent. Irregular polygon. It is a polygon with unequal sides and unequal angles. Regular pyramid. It is a pyramid whose base is a regular polygon. Irregular pyramid. A pyramid whose base is an irregular polygon. Apothem. A line segment from the center of the regular polygon base of a pyramid to the midpoint of one of its sides. Apex is the highest point in a pyramid. Tetrahedron is also known as a triangular pyramid. It has 4 triangular bases, 6 straight edges, and 4 vertex corners. Now let's take a look at the parts of a pyramid. As you can see, we have the edge. We also have the apex. the lateral face, the height, and the base. Okay, so the first subtopic that we are going to talk about in this volume of a pyramid is volume of a square pyramid and rectangular pyramid. Okay, so let's take a look back at our example a while ago, and that is to get the volume of a cube. To get the volume of the cube, you need to multiply the length, the width, and the height. That is why the formula to get the volume is length times width times height. In a cube, since all sides are equal, the volume will be V is equal to S cubed. Since we are going to multiply three sides with the same measurement, that is why it is V is equal to S cubed. Now, let's take a look at the formula to be used to get the volume of a pyramid. Okay, we will specifically look for the formula for the two kinds of pyramid. The first one is the square pyramid. The second one is the rectangular pyramid. Well, they have the same formula. V is equal to BH over 3. Or pwede rin natin sabihin na V is equal to 1/3 BH. Okay, so ang pinagmulan niyan is ito. V is equal to yung capital B, that is the area of the base, and then H is the height over 3. Well, magkakaiba lang sila ng area of the base depende sa anong klaseng base meron tayo, if that is a square pyramid or a rectangular pyramid. So kapag ka square pyramid, ang formula natin is V is equal to the quantity S squared times H over 3. Naging S squared siya because to get the area of a square, we are just multiplying the sides. Okay, kasi pares lang naman ang sides or ang measurement ng side ng square. Kaya naman, ito yung formula niya. V is equal to the quantity S squared times H over 3. Parehas lang din naman siya nito sa kabila sa rectangular pyramid. The only difference is the area of the base. Since the base is rectangle, pag kinukuha natin yung area ng rectangle, we are just multiplying the length and the width. Kaya naman, ang formula natin to get the volume of a rectangular pyramid is V is equal to LWH or length times width times height divided by 3. Okay, so wag tayo malilito dito sa dalawang formula na to ha. Let's take a look at this given problem. What will be the volume of a rectangular pyramid with base sides 4 meters and 5 meters and a height of 6 meters? Dito sa ating problem, alam na natin na yung pyramid ay rectangular pyramid. So, ang gagamitin nating formula, so this is the formula, V is equal to BH over 3. Pero yung letter B natin dito, yung capital B, is the area of the base. So, since the base of the pyramid is rectangle, we can have length times width times height. Okay? Kaya naman, pwede natin i-substitute dito yung letter B or capital B ay 4 meters and 5 meters and then the height is 6 meters. So, i-multiply lang natin 4 times 5 times 6. Don't forget the denominator which is 3. Okay, let us now multiply 4 times 5, that is 20. And then 20 times 6, 120 divided by 3. Okay, so 120 divided by 3, the answer is 40. And don't forget the unit of measurement. Since we use letter M here or meters, the final answer is the volume of a rectangular pyramid is 40 cubic meters. Another problem, we have a number 2. A square pyramid has a height of 8 meters and its base with 6 meters side lengths. Find its volume. Okay, so sa given problem natin, alam natin na yung given pyramid is a square pyramid. So, gagamitin nating formula is V is equal to BH over 3. Pero yung letter B natin dito, or yung area of the base, this will serve as the measurement of the side of the base, which is 6 meter. Okay, or 6 meters. So it will have the quantity 6 squared, kasi nga ito ay square, so we will just multiply 6 by another 6 kasi parehas lang naman sila ng sukat. Multiplied by the height, which is 8. Okay, so let us now simplify. Don't forget to divide it by 3 because we are getting the volume. Now, to simplify, we have the quantity 6 squared, or 6 times 6, that will be equivalent to 36, times 8 divided by 3. Let us now multiply. 36 times 8, the answer is 288. 288 divided by 3, that is equivalent to 96. So therefore, the final answer for number 2, the volume of the square pyramid is 96 cubic meters. Problem number 3. What will be the volume of a rectangular pyramid with base sides 7 meters and 9 meters and a height of 10 meters? Ano kaya ang magiging final answer natin dito? All you have to do is to find, to find the volume and write your answer in the comment section. Don't forget to write your name and your section. Okay? And that's gonna be all for today. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you learned something about getting the volume of a pyramid, specifically a square pyramid and rectangular pyramid. Thank you so much and see you on my next video. Goodbye!